My name's Robyn Brown. I'm head of the Behavioural Neuropharmacology Laboratory at the Department of Biochemistry and Pharmacology at University of Melbourne. The fundamental question that gets me up every morning is understanding why people overeat. We know that for a lot of people, this is an issue because we have a massive obesity problem in the world today. It's particularly relevant at the moment because, as you know, we're in the middle of a global pandemic and a lot of us are engaging in eating behaviour that is unhealthy or a coping mechanism. And this is perfectly fine because we are in the middle of a global pandemic, but the outcome that we have from that is what we're talking about, a shadow pandemic of mental health. We're also probably going to have a shadow pandemic of increasing obesity across the world, which coincidentally gives worse outcomes if you have COVID-19. The Veski Inspiring Women Career Grant means an enormous deal to my research and the recovery from what has been a really challenging time. And so having this grant is just fantastic in terms of being able to fast track the progress, the recovery from this really challenging period, being able to employ an additional postdoctoral fellow in the lab who coincidentally was also impacted by COVID as she was caring as well, will just sort of catapult us forward and allow us to really fast track all the projects that were stalled during this time. Funnily enough, 2020 was going to be my year because leading into COVID, I had a series of career disruptions and I was really looking forward to, so 2019 I was sort of starting to get my brain function back because I was finally getting sleep. And then I was always saying 2020 was going to be it, was going to be the year of my return. And then the pandemic hit. So that's why it felt particularly cruel, actually. I can't tell you how happy it makes me to know that this particular graduate student is also benefiting the same, if not more than me, from this grant. And so it really is a double win, not just for me, but also for this student. So at the most fundamental level, she now has financial security for 2022, which is massive. But not only that, she gets to, tie up her work that she had started, but not quite finished, publish the papers from her PhD, get invaluable. I get to mentor her for another year. She gets to supervise students and progress her career. And hopefully we apply for a grant based off the work that we've done so far, which would then allow us to get further salary support for her moving forward. So that's why this particular grant is so amazingly transformative, not just for me, but also for her.